Is ticker BW one of the best bargains heading into the upcoming week, or is this a ticker which you should be staying away from? What's up, trader friends? Welcome back to another no BS non-biased price prediction video. Today we're going to be discussing BW and what is this ticker heading from here now. With that said, today's video is going to have three main segments: the why, the what, the where. The why, we're going to be talking about the news. The what, we're going to be doing a stock analysis, going over the company's short interest, going over the company's dilution history, going over the company's cash, going over the company's institutional ownership, all the goodies. The where, it's going to be the chart, where to get in, where to get out. So without further ado, hit the thumbs up button, and now let's get into it. Hit it. Hit the thumbs up button. There we go. All right, good. Okay, little break of fourth wall for you guys there. Okay, now let's get into it. So as always, in order for us to anticipate where a given ticker is headed, we first want to cover the news because we want to know why is the ticker moving the way it's moving. This is a ticker which went absolutely parabolic, guys, from the dollar levels all the way upwards of $1.77 based off of some news that they're going ahead and they're selling some of their assets. The asset being sold for a lot, right? $177 million in total contributions subject to customary fees and adjustments. Now, why does it matter so much, right? This matters because when you go over here and you look at the company's market cap, this is a company that only has a market cap of $123 million. So market cap of $123 million, and they're getting paid $177 million. And this is another thing about this, what you guys need to understand about, you know, companies buying and selling each other, right? Acquisitions and being acquired, right? So when a company is acquiring another company, they're always paying a premium. So this $177 million that they got, this was actually a good deal. This is actually a good deal, right? This which achieves an annual revenue in the range of 110 million, will be transformed and, you know, again, right? Again, they're bringing 110 million revenue, 177 million. They're getting more for it in the short term, right? In the long term, it may be an investment, but in the short term, it may be in the long term, it may be a blunder, but in the short term, they are getting $177 million worth of cash, right? And I think when you go out and look at this company's cash holdings as well, their cash holdings is actually one of their stronger things when it comes to the company, right? So let's talk about it. So right now, the numbers that you're looking at right now are based off of their most recent SEC filings, not some random shit I made up, okay? So their cash life remaining, their total cash and cash equivalents right now sitting at $110 million, and their operating expense every single 3 months is 8.5 million, give or take, leaving them with 39 months of cash. They have 39 months of cash, around 39 months, okay? So again, right, when you do these numbers, 39 months of cash, and they're getting a big bag. Let's go ahead and start doing some calculating. So that's really good. The breaking news is okay. We'll put it as okay. The volatility is okay. We'll put it as okay. Again, it's above $100 million market cap, therefore it's just in the okay range. Next thing which we want to talk about is going to be institutional ownership. The company's institutional ownership is massive. Actually, when we go over here, let's go to institutional ownership. What am I looking for? There we go, right? The company's institutional ownership is sitting at 37.7. Anything above 15%, to me, that's always a green flag, okay? So we're going to go ahead and put this as good as well. That's the institutionals running the world. And now let's talk about the short interest. So when it comes to the short interest in BW, the short interest has actually been relatively flat, up 10% the past 7 days, up 6% the past days. So that's also a good look. Again, remember, we don't want short interest to be going crazy, guys. We don't want short interest to just be out of nowhere going freaking nuts up over 200%, 300%. That's not a good look, okay? And when it comes to dilution as well, when we go ahead and look at this company's, shares outstanding and everything like that, their overhead supply is not that big, right? Right now, their current outstanding is about 100 million, and they only have about 30 million at the market offerings. Historically, they haven't diluted much, and right now they do have a lot of money. So I doubt that they're actually going to dilute. Okay, so for that reason as well, we're going to go over here again. I'm going to put dilution as good as well, meaning it's low. Now let's talk about the chart. So when it comes to the chart of this ticker, personally, okay, I would love to buy the stock around the dollar. I would love it. Around the dollar, I would love it. And personally, I would wait until it's at $1 and I will buy it. And I'll play $1 to something like $1.15, $1.16 for 15-16% gains. That's what I would do. That's what, again, remember, when I tell you guys I trade like a bitch, I do, okay? I trade very, very anti-risk because I understand that we're already in the most riskiest business. So what we need to be doing is lowering the amount of risk we take, not going ahead and saying, this might 10x or it might go to 0. This might 50x or it might go to 0, right? You don't want that. Trade the best, leave the rest, right? Again, there's a reason why I have an 82% win rate, and my competitors are here bragging about their 70% win rate, right? There's a reason, and this is after over 450 trades, 377 green, 83 red, right? Month of June, nothing red. Month of May, 3 red days. Month of April, no red days at all. Month of March, 1 red day. Like it keeps going, guys, right? So again, right? There's a reason why I'm able to have the numbers that I have, is because I don't just look at a stock and say, okay, it's good, and then I go and buy it. I still wait until it is unreasonably cheap. I'm telling you guys right now, at $1.26, it's a bargain. At $1, it's a fucking steal. I'm waiting for it to get there. I am. Call me crazy. Maybe I'll miss out on an opportunity. That's perfectly fine. You know why? Because at the end of the day, for me, not making money is not losing money. But not losing money is just as good as making money. Sticking to my rules and having a tight set of rules that allow me to actually, when I enter a trade, I'm relaxed and I'm calm because I have so much confidence in the play. That's what I like. That's what I like, okay? Now listen, if you guys want to trade alongside me every single day, I invite you to join our community, because right now, for Father's Day, early Father's Day sale, the next 10 members that join, they do get access to the community for a 50% discount. But you need to be a father. I'm joking. You don't need to be a father, okay? The next 10 people that join, they do get access to it for a 50% discount. We offer a 7-day free trial and a 30 days money back guarantee, guys. We have over 400 members coming back month after month. Nobody keeps paying a monthly subscription unless they're making money, okay? Remember that. 400 members coming back month after month after month after month after month. There's a reason why people keep coming back, okay? We truly do it all. We have day trade alerts, swing alerts, option alerts, you name it, we got it, okay? And yeah, give it a shot. The link is in the comment section and description. I look forward to meeting you guys in here if you're serious about trading. It's really the place to be, okay? We have lessons, we have one-on-one access, you name it, we got it, okay? And there's that. So for me, when it comes to BW, I told you about what levels I would buy them at. It's up to you guys what you think. The stock does look like a very sound ticker, okay? And that's it. With that said, my friends, I wish you guys the best of luck, man, whether it's in trading or everyday life. Remember, never give up, never quit. Why? Because 90% of traders are not unprofitable. 90% of traders quit before they became profitable. Myself, I've been trading for 8 years. The first 3 years, man, all I did was lose money. It took me 3 years of just waking up, losing money, waking up, losing money, waking up, losing money. Now, here we are. God bless. Grateful. Forever grateful. Thank you. I wish you guys the best of luck, man. Your boy Sam from Top Academy.